Hey everybody, Trav with EngDuro here. Just wanted to show you how compact the SingleTrak is. For size reference, there's a motorcycle key, 7075 CNC machined aluminum. There are 10 attachments in this tool right now, so you've got 7 bits through here, a quarter to quarter adapter, and then our own custom 810mm socket. You've got your standard 3-inch extension, 2 drive ends, one there. The other one snuck in right there. Turns it into a very ergonomic tool. You can get a lot of torque on it. Fits easily in a pocket. We will send all these bits with it. The rest here, so you load it out to your bike and use it as you see fit. But just kind of nice and compact, very pocketable, very tough. Go check them out. They're available right now.